This versatile herb adds a unique flavor dimension to a plethora of dishes. Lemongrass in the kitchen, from soups to curries and everything in between. Now for the exciting part, using your homegrown lemongrass. One of my favorite ways to use lemongrass is in Thai curries. The lemongrass infuses the coconut milk with its citrusy aroma, creating a truly aromatic and flavorful curry. But lemongrass is not just for savory dishes. It also adds a refreshing twist to beverages. Muddle some fresh lemongrass with mint and lime for a revitalizing summer cooler, or try adding a stalk of lemongrass to your next fruit salad for a zesty kick. Lemongrass tea and home remedies. Let's step out of the kitchen and explore the other wonders of lemongrass. This herb has been treasured for its medicinal properties for centuries. Lemongrass tea is a popular choice for its calming effects. Brewing a cup is simple. Just steep a few stalks of fresh or dried lemongrass in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can enjoy it hot or iced. Some people believe lemongrass can help with digestion, reduce inflammation, and even relieve headaches. While more research is needed to confirm these benefits, there's no denying the soothing and refreshing qualities of this wonderful herb.